If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video.
Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You're watching me on TechMahir YouTube channel. Here we have Krishnapal, who got placed in multiple MNC companies, and today he was going to share his interview experience at Wipro. So before diving into the video, who are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel now. You will get a lot of videos regarding placement assistance from our YouTube channel. Hi Krishnapal, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm doing good. And so can you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes, sure. Hello all. First of all, thank you to TechMyHire team to invite me to share my interview experience here. Beginning with that, I am Krishnapal Singh Devda, currently pursuing Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies. And currently I am in 7th semester. Regarding my resume building, I pursued many internships, which helped me a lot while cracking these placements. And talking about my offers, I got offer from 4 companies, which includes Wipro, InTime Tech, and 2 other more companies through campus placements. So today I am here to share my experience with the selection process of Wipro.
Okay, so first of all, how you got opportunity to participate in Wipro Drive?
So, before answering this question, I would like to add a point that we should always be updated with the latest upcoming off-campus drives, which helped a lot to participate in that. So I came to know about Wipro. I came to know about a Wipro fresher hiring program, which is we all know with the name Elite National Talent Hunt. So actually, I was already aware in my previous semester. But I made a plan that I will surely participate in my 7th semester, and my campus TPO shared its complete details with me. Okay. So I had gone through its details, like what is the pattern of the exam, and like how I have to prepare that. So I started from end of the 6th semester with that.
So how about the interview process? Like how many rounds are there, and what are the questions that you got, and how you answered them? Can you give a detailed explanation about them?
So after joining that, an interviewer joined that sort, and he began with like greetings only. First question he asked me to introduce myself, which is the most common question while we are appearing for an interview. And then he moved to my interests and hobbies and extracurricular activities I used to perform during my college. And then he asked me about my projects. Okay. So, like it is very important question for any while appearing for interview. So I mentioned my 2 projects and I explained completely with which technologies they are made and how they are working. Which is very important. If we should explain these projects very well. After that, he asked me about the fields in which I am interested. Okay, so I mentioned like DBMS and data structures and programming language like C, C++, Python, and Java. So after answering these, he began questioning from these fields one by one. So he began with like DBMS. He asked me question like what I know about DDL and DML commands, and then what are the keys in this database. And then he moved to like programming language. He moved to C++ only. So he asked me about like OOPS concept, and then he asked me questions on data structures. He began with like what I know about linked list, stack, and queues, and like queue uses LIFO technique or FIFO technique, which I had to explain that. And then like after these technical questions, he asked me some HR question like I had to explain the difference between the hard work and smart work. So these types of question, everyone has to get prepared with that. And so I explained it very well that the need of smart work in today's era. So I explained that also. Then he asked me the question that like what activities I perform for like team building and group developing leadership qualities. And then at last he asked me to ask questions which I had. So I asked like one question about the work culture of the Wipro, and I want to add that everyone should ask the question at the end, because we should be clear with the work culture and about the company before joining.
Yeah. So did they ask you to write program during interview process?
As such, he didn't give me like any program for executing
Okay. So
in the interview.
yeah, did you got all questions from your resume or out of your resume?
Maximum questions were from resume only. Like he asked me about my internship experience, which I mentioned in my resume, and like projects which I mentioned in my resume. So maximum questions were from resume only.
So like, okay, how you prepare for this interview process? So I think so HR and MR questions mostly repeated for every company. It will be common. You can find answers and you can prepare yourself. But TL questions may vary from the interview process, interview to interview. So how you prepare for
yes. I didn't prepare especially for interview only. I used to watch like videos and like previous interview experiences and like technical questions. I used to practice daily on some platforms. I was already prepared with the technicals, and I had gone through some HR questions and like how to answer these questions while during the interview.
Okay.
So I didn't prefer like I prepared technical in some time, but I used to practice these questions daily.
Okay, so what's the time gap between like after done with interview and getting the result about interview?
Yeah, like my exam was conducted on 25th of September.
Okay.
And after that, on like 12 to 14 October, I got update that from TPO that I got shortlisted for the next round. And like recently on 19th of November, my interview was conducted. So there was a good gap of days between these all rounds.
Okay. So like, so what is exactly the exam pattern for Wipro?
Yeah. If I clear about the exam pattern of Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt, in overview, there are two sections, online assessment and the business discussion round. In online assessment consists of three sections, which is aptitude test, written communication, and third is the programming test. If I talk about aptitude test, it consists of logical ability, verbal ability, and quantitative ability. And the time allotted is 48 minutes only. If I about the level of the questions, which are quite easy, and if you practice it daily, it becomes easy to solve these questions. So aptitude test is easy to crack it. And second section is written communication. It consists of essay writing, and time allotted is 20 minutes. So in essay writing, I want to give a tip that we should always focus on avoiding the spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and focus on like proper paragraph phrasing. So like it is not tough to clear this essay writing. And we can write in around 350 to 400 words easily in 20 minutes. And third is the programming test. It consists of 2 coding questions. And if I talk about its level, like it is medium level questions. And if we practice daily on some coding platforms, and so it is very easy to execute these programs. And time is 60 minutes. It's sufficient time to solve this question. And if someone clear this like assessment round, they are invited for business discussion round. If I give detail about business discussion, then it consists of TR and HR, technical round and HR round both. It is conducted on Superset platform only. Like an interviewer will definitely join that Superset platform, and question will be asked from both TR and HR.
Okay, so like for the written test, like how you prepared yourself for the aptitude, reasoning, or for programming?
Yeah, like if I talk about my strategy, I prefer some YouTube channels mostly, for aptitude preparations. And if someone like after that, there are certain websites which provides previous year questions of aptitude and these technicals. So I had gone through them also. And I have prepared what type of previous questions are asked in previous years in the interview also. So I have prepared them. And along with this, for coding, I used to practice like technical puzzles and solve medium to hard level coding questions on some like coding platforms, which definitely develops confidence and logic buildings.
So can you name out some of the websites or resources for coding or aptitude reasoning?
Yeah. Like I prefer FacePrep mostly because like they provide like questions are good to prepare. And coding, I prefer HackerRank and HackerRank.
Yeah.
CodeShape also.
Yep. Okay. So what are the suggestions from your side to the freshers who are going to attend Wipro or any software company?
Like if I talk about suggestions, my first suggestion is that prepare the basic subjects like which names which I told. He asked me like DBMS and like data structures, advanced data structures. Prepare them thoroughly. Like if someone has very less span of time and he want to start preparation, so he has to be had basic knowledge of these before appearing in there. And after that, practice the coding questions daily, like begin with easy, then medium to advanced level. Practice these coding questions. Practicing daily helps while appearing for interview, because we don't have to give special extra time for practicing them. So we get sufficient time in that, and then focus on resume buildings and attend like pursuing internships and mention those things in resume only which completely belongs to you only, because interviewer definitely asks questions about that.
Yeah, some of the people may try to copy friends' resume and they try to copy paste. So if they forget to mention, sometimes they also mention the names of other friends also and some data related to other friends. So they are not serious about their resume. If they are not serious about the resume, so interview will have a negative impact on them totally.
Yeah, definitely know about that he had copied from someone else.
Yeah. So resume, like a spelling mistake is mandatory, and the format and exact. So what you mentioned in the resume, that has to be perfect, and that you have to be going to answer everything.
Yes, right.
Yeah. Thanks, Krishpal, for coming forward to give your interview experience. I hope this video will be helpful for a lot of candidates who are going to appear for Wipro or any company to get a conference and to get to know a clear picture of how the interview will be go on. So thank you.
Thank you so much.